Welcome to Retro Sparkle Designs. Today we will be going over how to do a fold over elastic waistband. I will be using the Comfy Set shorts here as my example piece. So I have my shorts and my elastic. You will begin by taking your elastic and folding it over onto itself about a quarter to half of an inch, and then sewing that to get a round piece of elastic. Order your piece of elastic, so mark those quarter points with a pin or a erasable marker of some variety, and then you will want to line up those quarter points of your elastic with the quarter points of your shorts. I prefer to take the seam of my elastic and put it on a side. Now you're going to use your serger to attach your elastic to your waistband. You will want your elastic on the inside of your waistband. And then as you serge your elastic on, you will need to stretch your elastic to fit the waist of your shorts. And you're just going to want to take this slow. If you stretch too hard, you'll wind up snapping a needle. So just take it easy. Now you have your elastic sewn to your waistband, and you're going to want to fold over again. So that serged edge of your elastic is within the shorts. Line up your quarter points again. I use my seams as a guideline, and then you will want to pin your elastic in place. We're going to top stitch over the bottom edge of the elastic. So now where that serged point is, we're going to top stitch over that to keep your elastic folded over. And this will help avoid any irritation from the elastic rubbing on skin. Again, just take it slow. You'll need to stretch your elastic to kind of fit to your waistband, and then just top stitch over that. And now that that is finished, you have your enclosed elastic waistband.